Each of us is motivated for different reasons. The better you understand your own motivations, the better you can improve them. There are two main types of motivation: extrinsic and intrinsic. Extrinsic is motivation for an external reward, like a prize. Intrinsic, on the other hand, is motivation for an internal reward, like feeling accomplished or satisfied. Intrinsic motivation is naturally found inside all of us and is incredibly powerful. Our brains take in lots of information and then decide whether or not a task is worth doing. Some of this process is controlled by certain areas of our brains, and some by specific chemicals in our brains. So how can we get our brains to motivate us to do the things worth doing? A great first step is simply ask yourself, why am I doing this? Trying to understand what motivates you is the first step in optimizing and directing your natural motivation.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.